This is a Quantum 6-edge HD for heavy duty. This power chair has 1 mile. 1 mile on it. Everything about this chair is heavy duty. It does have electric tilt, electric recline, and electric legs. No seat lift. Electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs. All the functions can be worked through the joystick, which is nice. So if you wanted to tilt the seat, you would go through the joystick. Right now it's on speed number 2. It says P2, it's power 2. And if I move this forward, it'll say power 3. Now it'll say power 4. And the 5th time, it'll go to a picture of the seat. Whatever's yellow is what's going to move. So if I move the joystick sideways, now I've got the legs and the back together. Now I've got a tilt. When you have the back and the bottom, it's tilt. So I'm going to push the joystick back, and you'll see the seat tilting back. So this is called the electric tilt here going back. Now this chair, as I said, has 1 mile. It has a 450-pound weight capability. The seat can be adjusted on this chair. So right now the seat is only 19 by 21 deep, but we can make the seat 22, 23 inches wide if we have to. So this is the electric tilt right there. So the next thing I want to do is the electric recline and the electric legs at the same time. I can do individually, but I'm going to do them together at the same time. So now I've got the back going back and the legs going up at the same time. This is your electric recline and your electric legs going up. You can see the legs going out too. So now you've got your recline and you've got your legs. And the nice thing about these leg pads, they can be adjusted like this. So your legs stay, your calves stay within, or you can have them out when you get out of the chair, or you can pull them back in like this. These foot plates are adjustable. We can adjust the length of these foot plates also. So this would be your electric recline and your electric legs. That's it. So that's as far as it'll go. Let me bring them back down. So now bringing the seat back forward and the legs back down. 2 options at one time. If I want to do the legs by themselves, no problem. With the back by itself, no problem. Now we're going to cover all the other benefit of this chair. As I said, this is an HD power chair. Everything is heavy duty, but the seat is not really, it's only for about a 200-pound person, maybe 5'8", 5'9". So if you wanted this chair, you might need a taller back and a wider bottom, which we can adjust the bottom, but the back we might have to order. So now we've got this back. We're going to put it back in drive. We're going to talk about the base. At the base right here, you've got 14-inch wheels, solid wheel with aluminum rim. You've got caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back. You've got heavy-duty anchor points here and here, and you've got 2 on this side. There's 2 on the opposite side also. You've got your HD motors here. These are the heavy-duty motors, and there's 1 for each wheel, so there's another motor on the opposite side. If you want to roll this chair, you can't roll it right now because it's in gear. So you would turn the power off on the joystick, and it tells you right here to unlock the wheel, you push it down. And now, you're in neutral. You have to do both wheels. Back in gear, turn your power back on, and you're back on. You can see this chair has suspension in the back, 2 suspension rods in the back. There's 1 here, there's 1 on the opposite side. It is also the same suspension in front. You can see 1 on this side, and there's 1 on the opposite side. So you have 4 spring suspension for this chair. You've got a swing away joystick, so if you want to swing the joystick away from the front, you can do it. The joystick can go on the right, or we can transfer it to the left, and we can take this cup holder here and put it here if we go opposite. The arms do flip up. Okay? You've got extra support on the arm, which is very, very nice. What that means is when this support is in here and you're pushing, there's no give on the arm. There's no give. Because when you're pushing down on the arm, it's not going to go down a little bit and that. So this is called the suspension rod for the arms. And there's 1 for each side. So very nice. The seat is a Roho cushion. Right now it's about maybe 18, 19 by 21 or 20 deep. The back is a standard medium-sized back. All the manuals are here. So if you need to, all the manuals are here. If you need to replace the cushion with another cushion, these just sit on here on Velcro. So far we've covered the front. We're going to cover the back. This chair has what's called an attendant control. So you can drive this chair right from here. And right from here I could go forward, backward, and I can also do all the seating system, the tilting and everything from here. So now, whenever you turn this off over here, you have to turn the power back on to the front, back on. So this is your attendant control. Your headrest is adjustable. These rods right here, there's one here and there's one here. Adjust the tilt on your arm right here. Okay? That's what they do. They adjust the tilt of your arm. These arms can be moved out. There's adjustments for here and here on these arms. They can be tilted. They can be flared out to here if we have to. So if we put a bigger seat on here, we can flare the arms out and put a bigger back or a taller back if we have to. It's not that expensive, but it can be done if that's the chair you want. It does have a safety belt right here somewhere. So it does have its own safety belt right here. We'll leave it on the seat. This is a mid-wheel drive, so it turns from the middle around. It turns from the middle of itself around. This chair is 26.5 inches wide. So remember, 26.5 is the width of your base of your chair. 26.5 is, as I said, it has a 400-pound weight capability. It has electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, Roho air cushion for the base. And you also get a charger with it. You get your quantum charger. When you need to charge this chair, you just put your charger plug in the bottom of your joystick. And as soon as the charger light turns green on here, you're fully charged. The charger will stop charging automatically, so you don't have to worry about overcharging your chair. The charger will shut off automatically for you. So if you're looking for a heavy-duty power chair with less than a mile, and you need to get the seat sized up bigger, just give us a call. This one here is ready to go, and it's practically new. This chair goes about 4.2 miles an hour. I think that's about the right speed for this these heavy-duty chairs. The motors are geared, they're high torque geared more. So it's 4.2 miles an hour, so it's not the fastest chair, but the motors are very powerful. Electric tilt, electric recline, electric legs, practically brand new. Again, ready to go. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.